Now in this video we are going to study after sin inverse sin x, here cos inverse cos x. Okay, in the property number 1, second function you can say it is the y equals to cos inverse cos x. What is the value of cos inverse cos x? Obviously it is x when x belongs to 0 to pi. Reason of this is obvious, as we discussed earlier. Okay, cos inverse cos x become x if x belongs to 0 to pi. For example, if we find the value of cos inverse cos 2 pi by 3, now your answer is 2 pi by 3, because 2 pi by 3 lies between 0 to pi. Yes or no? If cos inverse cos 3 pi by 4, then answer will be 3 pi by 4, because 3 pi by 4 lies between 0 to pi. What happens if angle, or you can say this portion, increases from pi? For example, cos inverse cos 4, then is it 4? No, it is not 4. Then what will be the value of cos inverse cos 4? Because the value of 4 is greater than 3.14, as 0 is 0 and pi is a 3.14 approximate, and your value is greater than this interval. Now what will happen? Just like sin inverse sin x, we apply the trigonometry and reduce the 4 into this interval by applying trigonometric formulas. Okay, now how we can write cos theta, or you can say cos x? Cos x can be written as first 2 pi minus x. Yes or no? Because in fourth quadrant cos theta is positive. Yes or no? And there is no change. That's why you can write cos 2 pi minus x equals to cos x. Means you can write cos 4 equals to cos 2 pi minus 4. Check it. Yes, we can write. That's why if we are going to find the value of cos inverse cos 4, it is equal to, we find the value of cos inverse cos 2 pi minus 4. Yes or no? And is this value lies within a 0 to pi? You can check it, because 2 pi means 2 into 3.14, okay, and minus 4, and solve it, then it is approximately come out 2 point something. That's why this value lies between this and this, means your answer will be in this case 2 pi minus 4. Got it? Just like sin inverse sin x, we can draw the graph of cos inverse cos x also, and by the graph we can understand many things. Here I am going to draw the graph of cos inverse cos x. Okay, let this is the line up to here, and this is another line. Okay, and let this is the y-axis, you can see. Got it? And this is x-axis, this is x-axis, and this is the line of y-axis. Got it? And this is the point 0 comma pi. Yes or no? And this is origin 0 comma 0, and now this is the point pi, then 2 pi, then 3 pi. Similarly it is minus pi and minus 2 pi, and here minus 3 pi. Got it? Then what is the nature of graph of this, means cos inverse cos x? We can draw a line by using different color. this is the line from this to this. Now another line from here to here, another line from here to here. I will explain you what I am doing. Okay, here to here and here to here, then this, and further you can this. Okay, now you have to check, means you can check where the cos inverse cos x become x. Cos inverse cos x is equals to x when x belongs to 0 to pi. Yes or no? Yes. Means in this interval the graph is equals to y equals to x line. Got it? Means this line is the y equals to x line from 0 to pi. Yes or no? And further, if we observe the region pi to 2 pi, as example cos inverse cos 4, then what will be the answer? It is 2 pi minus 4. Yes or no? How this 2 pi minus 4 comes? Because as I can observe this line and you can also observe this line, let it name of line A and B. This line having a negative slope means the slope is AV line minus 1. Point is 2 pi comma 0. Then equation of line y minus y1 equals to m minus 1 x minus 2 pi. Then the equation will become 2 pi minus x. Means this is the line y equals to 2 pi minus x. This line. I am writing equation here. The y equals to 2 pi minus x. And similarly, this line with positive slope, it is x minus 2 pi, and this is a point 4 pi, and the equation of this line like this line means it is the 4 pi minus x. In similar process, the equation of this line will be with a positive slope, it is x plus 2 pi, and for this line it is the y equals to minus x, and similarly this line it is the 4 pi minus 4 pi. The equation of line is x plus 4 pi, and this line will be minus x minus 2 pi. You can draw easily, means equation of line passing through this point and having the slope minus 1 means y minus minus 2 pi, 0, y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1, this is minus 2 pi, and solve it, it become minus x and minus 2 pi. This is the y. Got it? These lines help you to find the value of cos inverse something. Suppose somebody asked me that what is the value of cos inverse cos 5, then you have to only check where is the 5. 5 is near the 6, means here is the 5. Go upside and check the graph, it is the 2 pi minus x. Your answer is 2 pi minus 5. This is your answer. Yes or no? If somebody asked you what is the value of cos inverse cos minus 5, then your answer will also easy. Minus 5 is here minus 5, then your answer will it is 2 pi minus 5. Here say put the x minus 5, your answer will be 2 pi minus 5. If somebody asks that what is the value of cos inverse cos 10, where is the 10? 10 is here, means your 10 is left here. What is the value? 4 pi minus 10. Your answer is 4 pi minus 10. Means with the help of the graph of cos inverse cos x, we can easily find the different values of cos inverse cos x. Okay, then we can understand that y equals to cos inverse cos x. Have some scenario, see there here. First is this type of scenario, means here x minus 2 pi, x minus 4 pi type. Here the graph of, listen, here the graph 2 pi minus x, 4 pi minus x. Means one scenario is like this, 2 pi minus x, 4 pi minus x, 6 pi minus x type this. Okay, write down here. Means 2 pi minus x, 4 pi minus x, 6 pi minus x. Got it? And the second type you can observe, it is x minus 2 pi. Means you can write here x minus 2 pi, x minus 4 pi, x minus 6 pi. Okay. Next, for the negative angles, the scenario will be, first is the x plus 2 pi and second is minus of them. Okay. Means you can say for the negative angle, x plus 2 pi, x plus 4 pi, x plus 6 pi, and here minus x minus 2 pi, minus x minus 4 pi, minus x minus 6 pi. Means all even multiple of pi are here first of all. Then you can easily find the value of cos inverse cos x by applying this formula. Suppose your question is cos inverse cos 10, then use this system. You can say, means you have to get the near value of 10. Means you find 10 by 3, approximately 3. Means you can observe now 4 pi or 2 pi. You can say 4 pi and 2 pi, and observe the value after substituting here will become between 0 to pi. This is your fundamental goal. Get it? If we put the answer of 2 pi minus 10, then we can observe it comes in this interval or not. If not come, then we apply the formula 4 pi minus 10. If 4 pi minus 10 comes under this will be our answer. Check it. What is the 3.14? 3.14 into 4, 16, 5, 12 minus 10. Yes, it is 2.56. Value comes under, you can say 0 to 3.14. Means our answer will be, for this question, answer will be 4 pi minus 10. Suppose somebody asked to me cos inverse cos 60, suppose, then what will happen for the cos inverse cos 60? Divide the 60 by 3 and approximate, find 20 something, means 20 pi. The factor is 20 pi. What is the scenario happens near the 20 pi? Means 20 pi minus x and x minus 20 pi type. First scenario. Okay, check it. Cos inverse cos 60. First is the 60 minus 20 pi. Okay, 20 pi minus 60, and observe these calculation. What is the pi? 3.14 into 20, or you can say into 2, 8, 2, 6. Means it is multiplied by 20, 62.8. Means 60 minus 62.8, sorry, 62.8 is not lies between 0 to pi, because it is a negative number. That's why our answer will be 62.8 minus 60. That will give answer 20 pi minus 60. I think it is so obvious. Okay, here are some questions, and I think you can understand the graph of this, and after understanding the graph you have to recall, or you can say you have to keep in mind these scenarios, these 4 types of scenarios. I am going to change the color. These first type, got it? Second this, For the positive angles, you can say positive angles, these two scenario, and for the negative angles, these two scenario happens. And it is so easy how to memorize it. If somebody have some brain, then easily, because our main aim is to reduce the angle. Then where is the negative, where is the positive, you can understand very well. Okay, this is the main features of the, you can say, the graph of cos inverse cos x.